Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Zelle sending limit in 2026. If you want to increase your Zelle sending limit in 2026, here's what you need to know. First, Zelle itself does not actually set your limit. Your bank does. So there's no button inside Zelle to instantly raise it. Start by opening your banking app and checking your current Zelle limits in the Send Money or Zelle settings. This shows your daily or monthly cap. If you need a higher limit, the next step is to contact your bank directly through customer service or in-app chat. Some banks may let you request a temporary increase for a specific transfer. In many cases, your bank may only raise your limit if you have a strong account history, like regular deposits, good standing, or longer usage of Zelle. Another common way is upgrading your account type, like moving to a premium or business account, which often comes with higher Zelle limits automatically. If your bank refuses, there's no manual workaround inside Zelle. Your only options are waiting for automatic increases over time or using another transfer method like ACH or wire transfer.